Hello everyone, hope you're doing well today. In this video, I will show you how you can monitor your safety alert statistics on your end and keep up to date with your safety performance. First of all, you will need to download the application called Nextraq Connect. Application is available for both iOS devices on the App Store and Android devices on the Google Play Store. Once the application is downloaded, we will open the application and we will be on the login page, which is going to look exactly like this. Here is where you need to enter your username and your password. We will text you your username and a temporary password, which you can change after your first login. For this instance, I'm using my test account to get in and show you what the app looks like. Once you enter your information, you will be at the main page. In order to navigate to the safety scorecard, you will need to press the three lines up in the top left corner of the screen. Once you press on those, a menu will show up and you will want to go to driver safety options right here. Once you go to this page, safety scorecard page will come up and you will see your statistics over a given period of time. It will give you the mileage you have traveled, the time you have spent driving, as well as the breakdown of your safety alerts if any violations have occurred. You will particularly want to keep an eye on hard braking, excessive speeding, and posted speed limit violations on the screen. Your screen is going to look different as I'm using a test account and your units will have these information and numbers populated. For any additional inquiries or support, we stand at your disposal. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.